Okay, so this is page 1 of chapter 2. We are starting the new chapter. We finished the chapter 1. Okay. So nice, easy introductory lesson today. So how do I change from a percent to a decimal?
You just add a 0.
Okay, but right, 0.58 for this in this case. But how do I get from 58% to 0.58 instead of just saying add a 0 in front?
Okay, 58% is 50 out of 100 and 0, which is equivalent to 0.58.
Right, so you divide it by 100 because the full is 100%. So 58 out of 100%, when you divide it, you get the decimal. So just like what we were saying, then we can write it as a fraction over 100. Okay. I can reduce this fraction. Some people forgot to reduce on the test yesterday. So
Oh shit. Did I reduce? I think I did though.
we'll see. You'll find out soon. Okay, what's ratio?
That's 50. Let's say 4.
Sorry?
That's 54. It'd be 29. What?
Oh, yes, 29. Thank you. 29 over 90. Yeah, and sorry, James, what is ratio? What symbol do we use for ratio? The colon, right? Okay. Colon. Yeah, so this, we just write it from the lowest form, so 59 to 50. So we use the 2 dots and we just say 2. Okay, it's like a ratio. Ratio 2. Okay. Okay. So for this one, who can fill out this role for me? Katya.
12%.
Good.
12 over 100, which becomes 6 over 50, which can become 3 over 25.
Excellent.
And then 3 to 25.
Perfect.
What's the first one? 20?
I divided by 2. Okay. Okay, who has the third row for me? Jeffrey.
30%, 0.013, 13, colon 9.
Good. Okay. This one, 4 to 5. Carson?
80%.
Good.
0.8.
Right. Right. So you don't have to do like from left to right. 4 to 5, you can write it as 4 over 5. And then when you divide it, you'll see that you get the 0.8, which gives you the 80%. So it's easier if you do the ratio to fraction to decimal to percent in this case. I want to add in one more. What is 8% then? Cheryl?
0.08.
0.08. Okay, and then this would be 8 over 100, which is 4 over 50, which is 2 over 25. And then 2 to 25. Yep.
For ratio, is it always if it's converting to a fraction, it's always the numerator on the left?
Yep. Okay. Evaluate 15% of 12. So whenever you see a percentage in the question, you have to change it to a decimal. So since we just did a whole bunch of these, 15% as a decimal is long? 15% as a decimal? 0.15. What does off mean? Multiply. Good job. Okay, so 0.15 times 12. What is that? 0.15 times 12. You get 1.8. Okay. And then B, 21 is what percent of 400? Okay, so the wording sounds really weird. All it's asking you to do is calculate the percentage. So you're actually just doing 21 over 400. 21 divided by 400, you get 0.0525. Okay, is that my answer? No. Carson?
You turn it into
Right. Okay, because this is a decimal. I want percent. So I have to times it by 100. So it's 5.25%. Okay, so the wording sounds weird. Okay, 21 is what percent of 400, but the math is easy. So why do I write it like this then? Because EQAO writes it like that. Again, I'm just telling you the language that EQAO uses sometimes. Okay, so who likes to go shopping? Okay, so those of you who like to shop would love a sale. Okay, so let's say this T-shirt. Okay, it is regularly priced at $27.99 and it's on sale for 20% off. I want to find out. So how much is the sale price? Remember, sale means you're paying less. Right? So there are two different methods that you can do these questions. What's one method?
One method, you did 27.99 times 0.2,
Good. And then?
which gets you.
Okay, but what is that amount that you calculate?
That's like the one that you save.
Right. So that's your discount.
Yeah, you minus the total by the.
Right. Good job. Okay. So remember your sale price. Your sale price equals original minus your discount. Okay, your sale price equals your original price minus your discount because it's a sale. So it should cost you less. That's why you minus. There is a shortcut way to do this question. Who knows the shortcut way? So Kavya's way works, but it's 2 steps. There is something that I can do in 1 step. Oh, Kavya, you know the shortcut way too?
I think so.
Okay, what's the shortcut way?
If I'm not mistaken, I think you just multiply. You instead of multiplying it by and I don't think I know. I knew at one point.
I think you know it. I almost answered it. James 10 was first. Oh, oh, that's this part. I'm talking about the sale. The sale. Hugo? Oh, sorry, not Hugo. Wait. Wait. Sorry, I got the name mixed up. I know it. Owen. Sorry. Right. Good job. Okay, so the shortcut way is I know 100% of the sale price. It's 20% off. So that means I'm paying 80% of the full price. So I can do 80% of $27.99. Okay, so when I do that, 0.8 times $27.99, I get 27.99. I get this. So how much is the sale price? Kavya?
$22.39.
Right. Okay, why am I dropping that too?
Rounds, it's less than 5.
Okay? Because it's money. So for money, I should it should be automatic that you round to 2 decimal place. Okay, on the test, I'm not gonna tell you guys what to round to for money. You need to know. Unless you can show me in class using your magic how to brick a penny.
I can show you.
Okay, next week. All right, but don't try too hard. Okay, and then now James he had the right idea to calculate the total including tax. What's the shortcut way? Right, times it by 1.13. Okay, how much percent tax are we charged in Canada? Or sorry, not Canada, Ontario. 13%. Welcome to Canada. So 13% HST. Okay. So I thought it was just 13%. Why are we timing by 1.13?
Because if you did the other way with the big times 0.13, then you get like this. Like even for the sales thing, you just get we have from the tax, and you have to add it. But then since you're doing 1.13, it just saves time because you have to multiply it by 10 anyway.
Right. Okay. So this one right here represents the sale price. So if you do 0.13, it will only give you the tax part. But when you times it by 1.13, it will give you the actual total. So 1.13, you get $25.30. Okay. I've seen boys. Okay, I have seen people make silly mistakes on these questions. So for example, the regular price is $27.99, and then they give me a sale price of $5. Do you think that's too good to be true? Yes. Okay. Or they tell me the sale price is $35. Okay. Can your sale price be more than your original? No. Okay. So and then after your sale price, calculating the tax. If my sale price is this, and I say my final price is 100, okay, the government is ripping you off if they say you are paying 100. So you know that your sale price, or sorry, your total price should be pretty close to your sale price. Okay, last example with regards to ratios. So a ratio, what is it? It's a comparison of two or more quantity expressed in the same unit. Okay, so I cannot compare number of days to number of people in the class. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Okay, because it's the different unit. For my hockey fans, my true Leaf fans, alright, they played 82 games last season. Let's say they won 36 of them, lost 35, and tied 11. What is the win-loss ratio? Parson? 36 to 35, and to ties? 11 ties. Right, that. Do the order matter? Yes. Okay. So make sure when you write ratio, the order does matter. Ratio of win to ties. Afnan. Good. Okay. Wins to games played. Katya.
36 to 82.
Okay, but if you write this, you will lose half a mark, which goes down to
to yeah, I was gonna say that.
yeah.
41.
Right. Okay. And then the last one right here. In Raisin Bran, there are 2 scoops of raisin for every 12 scoops of cereal. Okay. The ratio of raisin to cereal is 2 to 12, which is 1 to 6. Now, let's say I want to make a super box. I want to make a super box, Costco box of Raisin Bran. Okay. And there are I don't know. I put 8 scoop of raisin in that super box. How much scoop of cereal should I put in it? 48. How did you get that? Right. So 1 to 8 is the same as 6. 6 times 8, so 6 to 48. So these are called equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios or equivalent fractions. Right? Just like in baking, if you know how recipes, they say this recipe is good for 12 cookies, and you want to make 36 cookies with a whole class, then you would have to multiply all the ingredients by 3. So same thing here. Okay, so quick 15, 16-minute lesson. That's all it is. A nice introductory lesson to chapter 2. Your homework tonight, this weekend, is just page 2 and 3 only. Page 2 and 3 only. Notice page 2 is like the exact same format as well. Alright, so only page 2 and 3 for homework. And how many days do you have to do this homework?
4.
Yeah, 4 days.